In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money to your bank from Bitget. First, open the Bitget app or website and log in. Go to Assets then Spot and make sure you've got the crypto you want to cash out. If your funds are in futures, earn, or copy trading, transfer them back to Spot so they're available. Also, check that your identity verification, KYC, is completed, because bank withdrawals often require it. Next, you need to convert your crypto to fiat like USD or EUR, or to your local currency. Go to Trade then Spot. Choose a pair such as BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT, and sell your crypto into the USDT. Then look for a convert, sell crypto, or fiat/P2P option to turn USDT into cash in your fiat balance. Once you have a fiat balance, go back to Assets, Withdraw, Fiat. Select your currency, choose bank transfer or another supported method, then enter your bank details if it's your first time. Type the amount you want to withdraw, review the fees and processing time, and confirm. You can monitor the status under Withdraw History until the money arrives in your bank. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.